Hello everybody, welcome to the Ionic Firebase authentication introduction. This is the introduction of a series of tutorials which I will be covering based on Angular Ionic and Firebase. This is actually a part of a larger hobby project which I would like to share with you. So stick on and enjoy the following tutorials. What we'll be covering in this series of tutorial is Firebase authentication with Ionic and Angular, responsive navbar and landing page, email sign up, email sign in, and the forget email password workflow, followed by social login through Google, getting the auth status from Firebase, and at the same time we'll be getting user data from Firestore as well. Last but not least, we will be covering auth guards to protect our routing in Angular. The contents structure for the whole series will include an introduction on how to set up Ionic, Firebase, and Angular Fire in the project, followed by UI templates covering responsive navigation bar and a responsive landing page. Later, we'll be creating a new user via the email sign-up process and also the email verification process. Once that is done, we will be logging in the user by email and cover the forget password process and also the social login sign in by Google. We will be also covering logging out the user from the application and tracking the auth state from Firebase. At the same time, we will be also covering storing user data in Firestore. And last but not least, we'll be covering auth guards, which we like to protect the routes in Angular. I'm very excited to share with you the following series of tutorials. As a preview, this is what you can expect to come. Basically, we'll be covering a responsive landing page, which will launch our authentication process. The login screens will cover basically email login, at the same time social login through Google. We would also have a forgot password workflow and a registration process where we will cover basic details like name, email, and passwords. So do like and subscribe this channel. Hope to see you real soon. Bye.